Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are learning how to make fried fish roll. This recipe is so easy and straightforward. Sit back and relax. Let's get started. In a pot, you want to add any fish of your choice. I'm using some mackerel fish, add in some water, and I'm using just little seasoning for this because during the frying process I'm going to be adding more seasoning. Once the fish is ready, take it out of the pot, place it in a plate and mash it just like this. Make sure you remove any bone in the fish to prevent choking while eating these snacks. All done, so let's get started with the cooking process. You add some oil to a pan, add some chopped onions, add some pepper, and you want to just fry this up together. Proceed to add the fish and just add any seasoning of your choice. I use some thyme, curry, seasoning cubes, and a little bit of salt. Make sure you dissolve the seasoning cube in water before adding it. You don't want to start tasting some particles of the seasoning cubes, hence you need to just dissolve it with water first. At this point, you want to combine the dry ingredients, which includes some flour, sugar, salt, baking powder, and just mix together. Now you want to crack in one egg, add in the butter, add in your water. Now for the water, I use a little less than 1 cup, so you want to add the water gradually so the dough is not too sticky. You might end up using the whole 1 cup of water. The density of flour varies. Now for this recipe, you can choose to multiply it as many times as you want and it's going to come out perfectly. Okay? Bring this together nicely with your hands until it forms a smooth dough. Cover it and let it rest for at least 30 minutes, or if you don't have that much time, 10 minutes is fine. You can see how smooth and glossy our dough looks. This is how your dough should look when you are recreating this recipe. Roll it into a log shape and just cut it into as many pieces as you want. You can get 10 or 12 from this recipe depending on how large or small you want it to be. Sprinkle some flour on your work surface, spread it out, take a portion of the dough, place it there and just roll it out. You can see what I'm doing, so just roll it out nicely like this. Once you are done rolling it out like this, just take a brush with water and brush the edges. Now add in the filling. You want to seal this nicely. Take the end of the dough and press it downwards. Make sure you're pressing this very well so that it is properly sealed and it doesn't open while you are frying. By the way, the water is going to enhance that, so don't worry. As far as you are doing it correctly, you will get it right. Now pinch the end just like as I'm doing and roll it out. You will see that it will become long. Yeah, that's it. And this is what you should have. Let's do another one in case you did not follow for this first one that I just did. Now look at the process, okay? All done, so it's time to fry. Place the fish rolls into the hot oil just like you can see me doing. Be careful to avoid splash. Make sure the oil is at the right temperature before adding it and just fry until golden brown. Can you see how good this looks? Trust me, it tastes even better, so you need to try out this recipe. Thanks for watching, and if you have not subscribed, please do well to like, drop a comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time and in my next video. Bye.